I'm so tired. I don't know why I should always have homework and do nothing. Wait! Should I play slime? That's a good idea. Okay. How did the slime came prepared? That is so weird. Okay. My camera set. Okay, this is so creepy. But anyways, I'm just gonna do the video. Oh my god. Hey guys, this is me and today I'm gonna be doing my slime collection. So anyways, let's get started. Mathematics. First, I have this slime, and this is scented blackberry smell.
That smells good.
So yeah, it's foam slime.
And it's kind of jiggly, I guess.
I never felt jiggly slime, so yeah. But anyways, let's do the ASMR. Okay, so we fixed the camera color just a little bit, so that's why it looks a little different. But but anyways, I'm gonna be showing you this one. This one does not even scent good. This was cherry slime, but because I already had another one, this one.
Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell.
It smells like glue. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the ASMR. And guys, so yeah. So anyways, let's just do the ASMR. I'll do the ASMR for this one and I'll try my best, okay? So anyways, let's do the ASMR.
Seniors, and we're reviewing Edna Berzghal. So how are you doing, Edna?
Good.
We're sorry we have this weird microphone, so say that again.
Good.
Okay, and she is doing her slime ASMR video with the iPad recording. So, oh my god, you have a lot of work. Okay, we might as well leave now, bye.
Oh my god, they're so annoying. Whatever, I'm just gonna keep doing it. Wait. Okay, next slime. So guys, this slime is the bad slime, but I will still do the ASMR, so that's good news. But the bad news is the beat always goes to my hands.
But guys, now I'm gonna say,
Wait. Let's do the ASMR.
this is so
We still had this house though. So my favorite one is this one, but that one is a surprise. Oh, that rhymes. What rhymes? So yeah, this one is like a foamy, glossy slime.
This is one of your favorites.
Yeah, it really, you see, I just can't stop playing it. But anyways, let's do the ASMR. I'm so excited.
Yeah, let's do it. So perfect. Oh god, it jiggled.
No, you're not believing that. Okay, so this is bubblegum slime, and this is not the one that we did a long time ago.
Yeah, because that one we actually recorded the video a few months before.
Yeah, that
So
was like very old.
we recorded in like April of 2017.
Yeah, we still have
So
it
it's
now.
been a year.
Yeah, but this one is a different one. That one, it really looks like it, right? But there's no sparkles, so what am I saying?
Let's go do the ASMR.
Stay tuned to the end because I'm gonna take half of these slime, just half of them, and mix them. No, not this one. These three, I'm gonna take half of them and mix them together so it could be like a smoothie slime. Okay, so this is galaxy slime. It's really galaxy, and this one's very old. So yeah, it's really old, really old, and it still stretches. Like what? This still stretches? I didn't even know that. I didn't play with this slime for a week or more than a week. So yeah, this one's really stretchy, by the way, guys. You could do the twirl from this. My brother doesn't even understand.
I know.
So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the ASMR. Slime. I love clean slime. I love you. Clean slime. Ooh. Ooh. Jelly. So this is the cherry one. This is the one I did. It was cherry, but I changed it and it's not scented. This one is scented. And guys, say
This is the one we did in our latest slime video.
yeah,
Wait, can I touch it?
yeah.
Oh, this is what it feels like when you don't touch slime.
My brother, he's like, he makes it stick to his hands, but it's
I know,
okay.
like, especially when we
He's
do the bubble.
practicing.
Yeah, especially when we do the bubble.
No.
I stick it.
Guys, I wish you could smell. Gabriella, if she comes to this, the card video, remember? If she comes and smells
Link in
this, she's
description.
Gonna explode. She's gonna explode.
Anyways, let's do the
Her
ASMR.
favorite slime.
Yeah, she loves
Is-
cherries. Does
No? Who does? Who knows? I'll tell her. Oh my gosh! Look at the computer! Okay guys, so we're so close to the mystery one. Beside this one is the mystery one. That's scary, right? But
And the next one is the mystery one.
yeah, this one. So yeah, it's very... Oh! In the bottom there's glitter. That's so nice.
Oh, so we're doing that in a close-up, eh?
Look, it's like a gold glitter. I said half of it, but
Okay, it's the obvious time, guys.
somewhere, of course. Perfect. my god. This one you might like. You're gonna be so excited. I showed my brother and it is scented. 3, 2, 1.
It's gold, guys. I mean, it's not really a surprise, but it's the surprise.
It is a surprise.
For this video, it's a surprise.
Yeah, you know why? It's more gold than you see it, guys.
Yeah, it says the white balance.
It's like a metallic slime, so of course.
So let's do the ASMR.
Yeah. A gold bubble. This should be coca slime. No, I'm just joking. This is metallic slime. I don't know why there's hair in my hair. So this is the metallic slime. I'm gonna be doing the ASMR right now. This one's so like stiff, but this is the last slime. So this is a foam slime. My brother's so tired right now.
Yeah, my camera's battery. It has like 2% left.
Oh my god.
We might have to use the iPad to
So
record.
yeah, this is foam slime. I'm gonna do the ASMR right away. We're gonna use this container to do half of them. So yeah, this is gonna be like a smoothie.
And we might have a new slime in the collection.
Yeah, and we're gonna have 13 slime. So yeah, let's mix that up. Ooh.
Ooh, that's like a white slime, galaxy slime.
Oh yeah, that's so cool. It scents so good too. Oh, it actually smells like a smoothie, to be honest. Kind
Oh my
of,
god,
yeah.
it does.
Kind of does.
Okay, hope you enjoy this video, guys.
Peace out. Hope you liked the video. Please smash that like button if you liked the video. If you don't, then oh my god. Anyways, hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you could. And hope you liked the video. Peace! Woo! My food coloring. And then you like, and I'm recording. Dude. This video. Please smash that like button if you like this video. Stop, don't record.
Whoa!
That looks like blood. Oh my god, this is like galaxy. Cut. Hope you liked the video. Please smash that button like